हाय, मैं हूँ अनुराग द डूड और ये है प्रिया माय दीवानी.
And we're here to take you on an incredible journey.
Wait. Don't forget to like, share and comment on our video.
Also, click on the subscribe button. And for more videos on ZZest, don't forget to hit the bell icon. पिछले 20 साल से हम साथ साथ ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं.
नए प्लेसेस, नए कल्चर्स, नया फूड.
Then we discover कैसे एक चीज दूसरे से कनेक्टेड है. The what, where, when, why of food. That's our passion.
सतरंगी फूड.
Atrangi Connection.
Join us on Dude और दीवानी.
Oi! Easy, baby. Why do you put so much pepper in everything, yeah?
Baba, I love pepper, yaar. This is the king of spices. तुमको पता है? This is the most traded spice in the world. और the word pepper, it comes from Sanskrit pipali, meaning long pepper.
You're telling me I come from Pepper County, Egypt. In fact, the round pepper and the long pepper are native to the hills of South India.
Exactly. But Baba, don't you know? Wars were fought for it. Empires rose and fell. And colonial fortunes were built on this pepper. तो जब दुनिया ने इतना फाइट मारा उसके लिए, तो मैं कंजूसी क्यों करूं?
Do whatever you want.
वही तो मैं कर रहा हूं.
Hey! Look what I found! Anguli Mane.
What is that?
It's a game. It's called Palampuri in Tamil.
Oh, और क्या करते हैं उसके साथ?
You play with seeds, yeah, cowrie shells, tamarind seeds, arbor seeds. You know those red ones, gulgunji?
Oh,
I don't have them. Such fun.
oh, I know what you get you.
What?
I have just the thing for you. Teleshari Black.
Oh my God, peppercorns!
Yeah.
I'll teach you.
इसके साथ खेल सकते हो. तुमको पता है बुद्धिस्ट टेक्स्ट समन्ना फल सुत्ता में it's called the fruit of contemplative life. उसमें it's mentioned that pepper is one of the few natural things that a Buddhist monk can carry as medicine.
Oh wow. And now it can be used in a game also. You know, it's also the quick fix remedy for cold and cold. We just use grated ginger, some powdered pepper in honey and keep licking it.
Oh, you know? ये जो पेपर का जो पंचीनेस है ना, it comes from this chemical called piperin. और इसके एसेंशियल ऑयल्स में बहुत ज़्यादा एंटीऑक्सीडेंट, एंटी एजिंग और एंटी इंफ्लेमेटरी प्रॉपर्टीज हैं. बड़े फायदे हैं इसके.
Yeah. In fact, pepper is also used as a preservative. You know, it was found in the nostrils of Ramses II, the pharaoh of Egypt. He was mummified in 1213 BC. Imagine.
मैं तो ये सोच रहा हूँ कि जब फेरो साहब मर चुके थे तब उनके नाक में डाला गया था कि अब जाने वाले थे. सर, आपके जाने का टाइम हो गया है. आप पैकिंग कर लीजिए. ऑफ कोर्स. मिलते हैं अगले जन्म में.
It's not snuff, silly. It just goes to prove that pepper has been traded for more than 3,000 years.
1000 years? भगवान जानता है प्री. God only knows. उसके लिए तो हमको गॉड जोन कंट्री जाना पड़ेगा.
Kerala.
हाँ, इंडिया स्पाइस कोस्ट.
Since ancient times, pepper was exported from ports like Muziris or Pattanam in Kerala to Rome and Egypt. An old temple of Augustus once stood in Kodungallur, while Roman ports like Ostia had exclusive pepper warehouses called Horia. Each year, the Roman Empire sent a fleet of 120 ships to Kerala to bring back this treasure. It is said Rome bled because of this pepper trade. When Romans conquered the Middle East, North Africa, and Europe, the pepper craze increased and led to more trade with India.
410 AD में विजिगॉथ किंग एलरिक ने रोम को चारों तरफ से घेर लिया और उन्होंने मांगा रैंसम, ढेर सारा सोना एंड 3000 पाउंड्स पेपर।
तुमने ब्लैक गोल्ड का नाम तो सुना ही होगा। पेपर?
मैंने पेपर करेंसी तो सुना है, पर पेपर करेंसी पहली बार सुन रहा हूं।
After the decline of the Roman Empire, pepper trade was dominated by Arab traders, while the Italians had control of the Mediterranean. It was thanks to the lucrative pepper trade that spawned the rise of city-states like Genoa and Venice. To bypass Arab middlemen, the Portuguese sought a direct trade route to India. And that's how Vasco da Gama landed up in India in 1498, searching for Christians and pepper. It was the golden age of discovery, and the Portuguese controlled the spice trade for nearly 150 years. A letter written from Kochi to King Demanuel of Portugal stated, "Of all the ports, the finest pepper is exported from Dharmapattanam."
कोच्चि के कैप्टन ने किंग ऑफ पोर्चुगल को एक चिट्ठी लिखी कि बिटवीन बटिकलोआ एंड गोवा देयर आर स्मॉलर पोर्ट्स लाइक अंकोला, मीरजान एंड होनावर व्हिच कम अंडर द डोमिनियन ऑफ द क्वीन ऑफ गेरसोप्पा। और इन सब पोर्ट से 5000 क्रूसाडोस वर्थ ऑफ पेपर यूज्ड टू बी ट्रेडेड।
What are cruzados?
जो क्रूसेड के लिए यूज किया गया हुआ गोल्ड कॉइन फ्रॉम पोर्चुगल, दैट्स क्रूसाडो।
Oh,
और पता है पुर्तगाल के गाल पे किसने थप्पड़ मारा? हमारे कर्नाटका के क्वीन चन्ना भैरा देवी ने।
wow.
या द क्वीन ऑफ गेरसोप्पा। उन्होंने 1559 एंड 1570 में 2 बार पोर्चुगीज को बुरी तरीके से हराया।
Ooh, nice.
और उन्होंने थक हार करके उनको नाम दे दिया रईना दे पिमेंटा, यानी कि इंडियाज पेपर क्वीन।
वाह, इसीलिए कहते हैं कि कर्नाटका की लेडीज को लाइटली मत लेना। #just saying.
The center of all spice trade was St. Angelo Fort from Kannur, the first European fort in India. The pepper wars were so fierce that the fort changed hands from the Portuguese to the Dutch, to the Arakal Ali Rajas, and finally to the British. In 1683, the British pushed the French to Mahe and developed Talasheri as their base for pepper and cardamom trade. Talasheri Fort was set up in 1708 to protect British interests in pepper, and since it was exported from the port town, it became globally known as Tellicherry Black.
यार टेलिचेरी ब्लैक इज सो मच बिगर देन द ऑर्डिनरी पेपर।
Yeah.
बट मजे की बात यह है कि मापला कुजीन में पेपर डजंट हैव मच ऑफ अ रोल टू प्ले
Yeah, really strange, no? I wonder why.
because it was much more profitable to sell it than to eat it.
What business sense? You eat so much of pepper, you would have been a pauper trader.
मैं ट्रेडर नहीं, मैं रेडर हूँ।
Do you know, a family in Malabar would sell 1 kg of Telsheri Black and survive for a month.
हाँ, I am the answer. तुमको पता है जब ब्रिटिश केरला से पेपर वाइन काट करके वापस ब्रिटेन ले जा रहे थे तो कैलिकट के राजा जैमुरिन ने उनको रोका और बोला, "You stupid Britishers! You come to the house of my father, my mother and my wife and you take away the pepper wine? You take the pepper wine kilometers and kilometers away. But how will you take the Tiruvatira Nyatuvella?
Are you sure it was a Zamorin and not Mohanlal? Tiruvathira Natyavella?
Baba, it is that 2 week of intense rain which causes the growth of these pepper berries.
Pipe down. Do you know the greatest contribution to world cuisine was by French King Louis XIV?
अच्छा, ऐसा क्या किया उसने?
He was the first to put salt and pepper on his dining table, a practice that is followed the world over till today.
वैसे सरकार, हमने आपका नमक खाया है।
अब गोली खा।
Reina de Pimenta?
राजा दी डिमेंटा।
Shut up, यार।
This painting, where the sorry, I'll take that again.
बार बार कथा में विघ्न। क्या?
ज़ी ज़ेस्ट को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को दबाएं ताकि हमारा कोई नया वीडियो मिस ना हो।